Where is the nearest ATM? Where is the nearest ATM? Do you have this in a smaller size? Do you have this in a smaller size? Is this on sale? Is this on sale? Can I try this on? Can I try this on? Where are the fitting rooms? Where are the fitting rooms? Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? Can I return this if it doesn't fit? Can I return this if it doesn't fit? What time does the mall close? What time does the mall close? Do you have a map of the mall? Do you have a map of the mall? Is there a food court nearby? Is there a food court nearby? Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? Can you gift wrap this for me? Can you gift wrap this for me? What's the exchange policy? What's the exchange policy? How much is this? How much is this? Do you have this in another color? Do you have this in another color? Can I get a receipt, please? Can I get a receipt, please? Where can I find the electronics store? Where can I find the electronics store? Are there any discounts available? Are there any discounts available? Is there a parking fee? Is there a parking fee? Do you validate parking? Do you validate parking? Where is customer service? Where is customer service? Can I see that item, please? Can I see that item, please? Is this available online? Is this available online? Can I reserve this item? Can I reserve this item? Do you offer home delivery? Do you offer home delivery? Is there a loyalty program? Is there a loyalty program? Where is the exit? Where is the exit? What's the best way to get to the mall? What's the best way to get to the mall? Is there an elevator? Is there an elevator? Are pets allowed in the mall? Are pets allowed in the mall? Do you have a lost and found? Do you have a lost and found? Can I pay with a mobile wallet? Can I pay with a mobile wallet? Is there a special offer on this product? Is there a special offer on this product? What time does the store open? What time does the store open? Where is the nearest escalator? Where is the nearest escalator? Do you offer international shipping? Do you offer international shipping? Are there any vegetarian options in the food court? Are there any vegetarian options in the food court? Can I have a shopping bag, please? Can I have a shopping bag, please? Do you offer gift cards? Do you offer gift cards? Where can I find children's clothing? Where can I find children's clothing? Is there a cinema in the mall? Is there a cinema in the mall? Do you have a return policy? Do you have a return policy? Where can I buy tickets for the movie? Where can I buy tickets for the movie? Can I use this coupon here? Can I use this coupon here? Is there a baby changing station? Is there a baby changing station? Where is the information desk? Where is the information desk? What are the store hours? What are the store hours? Can you help me find a specific store? Can you help me find a specific store? Is there a play area for kids? Is there a play area for kids? Do you have a phone charging station? Do you have a phone charging station?